Hello, my name is Gift Ahmed from Nigeria, Kogi State. Here is my final challenge application that I have built in Power Apps. First and foremost, the first requirement was that my employees should be able to view all their products from the list, which I achieved by creating this view list where they can see it. Next was that each should show a discount of 20% off of the original price and display. Now from here you can see I have the original price for 1,430.15 naira, but a discount of it now brought it down to 1,142. Now that is a discount on it. That is how I did it in my own case scenario. Also, now it shows that I should be able to add to cart and remove and update. Now, how I achieved that was that from this slider, you can slide, you could increase up to any quantity you want and click on this plus icon, which is for the add items. Now once you click on it, it adds it to a cart here. Now in case you don't want it, you can click on the trash icon here and then it goes away. So but you just have to click on this slider, add an item, and then if you don't want it, you remove it again. Also, it was required that we should show how we can sort by the product name. Take for instance, I search for sports, and take note, while I was searching, you could just cancel from here in case you want to clear, or you just press enter. Now it gives me an item in this form. Now this is an item. I may decide to add that. Then once I'm done, I can cancel and then search for another item. That's how it works here. Now for the updating, you could update that by clicking on checkout or by deleting. So let's try and delete. Once we delete, now we can check out. That is to confirm our checkout and our delete. Now you could also increase the quantity from 1 to 5 from any option through the text box input option here. Now once you do that, the price also change. In case you want to go back, you can go back from here. You can go back to the initial page. You can also check out from here with that. Now also a quick one, it's that you can also make sure that you add a comment, like I need this. Now it could be a comment like this, and once you do that, you submit. Once you submit, now what happens is that it sends an email to my inbox here. Now we'll be expecting an email in just some seconds. Now once the email arrives, now for here you could see that this is the environment where all the details are filled. Now I come back to my email, you notice that this is a new mail that just arrived. Now here what happened is that I am the approver and I'm also the requester. So first and foremost, it will send me the details of all what I required for, and then it will send me also another mail as the approver to either approve or reject this. Now in this case scenario, I may want to reject or I may want to accept. In any case scenario, let's take for instance I reject. I could say not in stock, something like that, or now, and I say submit. Once I do this, I should get another email instant telling me that, okay, sorry, my approval was not made. That is how I achieved that. Now, a quick one again was that I tried to build a Power BI dashboard where we can see the list of approved and not approved file. So if I do a quick refresh on this now, it should change the report or update the report instantly. Okay, now as we can see, I have only one rejected file, but now we have two rejected file. This is a dashboard. The first Power BI dashboard here is showing us the numbers of products by the quantities that have been requested or been ordered. This is the price. This is the approved status by the amount price. Then this is the approved status by the it count. This is a date hierarchy showing the various days and the amount that were being requested, and this is a summary of it here. Now that is how I've been able to achieve my goals in terms of the Power BI report. Now quickly moving to the other part where I try to set a capital approval in case where, take for instance, here I have an order which I made earlier which is over 14,000. So now when I click on it, now you will notice I have the ability to have a capital approval on it. If I click on next stage, now you could see where I have the capital approval. That is also where I try to achieve that. Now coming back to our Canvas app, you notice I have orders here. So but if I click on OK, it returns me back to my home. Now I can click on this card icon here, which is the same as the others just now. So now what it does is that it tries to show me all my orders now, and this is the last one that happened just now, and if you notice it was rejected. So I could do a quick refresh on all this. Now when I do a quick refresh, in case you have a new order, you could also check it, and the search button also works perfectly for that. And once you are done, you can just click on home and it returns you home, and you can continue to shop your card depending on the case scenario as either the admin or the employee. Now in addition to that, this Power Apps is being run, and this data that we entered here is can be updated from an Excel. For me to show that, I will have to cancel this and then just show you from my system where you could just import the Excel file from here, from the data bar into the app, and then it is perfect for you to go in any case scenario for the Circle app or any other app. Basically, that is how I have tried to achieve my aims and the objectives for and all the various things that are required for this app. Thank you very much.